This video is the second in a series which provides guidance and handy tips on how to install Hardie Fine Texture Cladding. Part 2. Joint location. The cladding panels are 1200mm wide and have shiplap joins on the long edges. One side of the sheets has an underlap and the other side has an overlap. They fit together, leaving a subtle V-shaped joint, which is part of the design aesthetic. Careful consideration of joint location is needed to achieve trouble-free and efficient installation. There are at least 3 possible layouts to consider. Layout 1, a symmetrical layout, where you start from the centre of the wall and work outwards. This can be done by either centering a panel or a vertical joint. For this symmetrical installation, only the outermost panels are cut short. The width should be the same for both ends. Any layout that requires the outermost panels to be too narrow for reasonable handling and installation should be avoided. Layout 2, a window or door edge layout. To reduce the visibility of the joints, line them up at the window or door edges. The panel above the opening will most likely require shortening. Mimic the V-shaped joint on a stud by carefully cutting a shiplap into the shortened side, or do a vertical butt joint. Layout 3, a feature layout. Align the vertical joints with a feature, such as a change in roofline or a change in wall colour. For more information, refer to the Hardie Fine Texture Cladding Installation Guide, which is available on the James Hardie website. In Part 3, we'll cover horizontal joints and corners.